In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to take two numbers in your sheet and calculate a clean, reliable result with a simple formula. First, open your web browser and go to Google. At the top right of the page, click the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. This opens a panel with Google services. Click on Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once Sheets opens, go ahead and open your document. If you already have a file with data, select it from your recent files. If not, you can use any sheet you have handy. The steps are the same no matter which spreadsheet you use. Next, enter the numbers you want to divide into two cells. Think of each cell as a labeled box. For example, click cell A1 and type 20, then press Enter to confirm. Click cell B1 and type 4, then press Enter. You can use any cells you like. A1 and B1 are just easy to follow. Keeping each number in its own cell makes the calculation flexible and easy to change later. Now click another cell where you want the answer to appear. This is your result cell. It's a good idea to keep the results separate from your inputs so you can adjust the inputs without overwriting your formula. With the result cell selected, type your division formula. All formulas in Google Sheets start with an equal sign. Type A1, B1 exactly like that. The slash means divide. You can also click A1, type the slash, and then click B1 instead of typing the cell names manually. Using cell references instead of typing the numbers directly means your result will update automatically if the values in A1 or B1 change. Spaces around the slash don't matter, but the equal sign at the start is required. Press Enter on your keyboard. You should see the result appear right away. In our example, 20 divided by 4 returns 5. If you see a long decimal, that's okay. Google Sheets is showing you the precise value, and you can adjust the number of decimal places later using the formatting tools. If you see an error like #div0, it usually means the bottom number is 0 or the cell is empty. So just make sure that second cell contains a valid number. A quick tip. If you need to perform the same type of division down a column, you can copy the result cell or drag the small square at its bottom right corner to fill the formula for other rows. And that's it. You opened Sheets, entered your numbers, chose where the answer should go, typed A1B1 and pressed Enter to get the result.